Welcome to our screencast on self-hosted Restreamer, a powerful open-source application designed to help small businesses harness the power of live video streaming without incurring additional costs for hosting or software licenses. Whether you're a creator with a live stream or a local business wanting to engage with your community through live social media events, Restreamer offers a cost-effective, self-hosted solution for running a smooth live stream. With Restreamer, you can effortlessly stream live events on your website and social media platforms simultaneously, reaching a wider audience without having to worry about extra costs. Let's dive into how Restreamer can work for you as a creator or small business owner. As we open the application, you'll notice its intuitive interface designed for ease of use. To start streaming, simply connect to your network camera, or you can start an RTMP server and connect from any device. For example, on iOS, the Moblin app allows you to live stream from your device to your Restreamer server using RTMP. From there, you can have your viewers watch right on the Restreamer public page, and in our case, also stream to YouTube. YouTube allows for a primary and backup stream, so you can use your looped video stream from Restreamer as a backup stream for YouTube. That way, if your live stream connection drops, the looped video will take over until you are able to get back online. A Restreamer server is essential for live streams that can't rely on a stable connection at all times or can't predict what coverage will be like at all times. For example, if you're trying to do a live biking live stream, you're likely to hit some spots without cell phone coverage. But don't fear, your Restreamer server is always online and streaming a backup video on loop constantly. So if your live stream connection drops, Restreamer is ready to take over with the looped live stream. Show highlights from previous videos and get creative with your looped video content. It's easy to update your looped backup stream with a new video on Restreamer. Restreamer supports a wide range of resolutions and bit rates, allowing you to customize the quality of your stream based on your internet bandwidth and audience needs. Restreamer allows you to stream to multiple platforms at once, such as YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and your own website. This means your live event can reach your audience on all their favorite platforms in real time. Simply enter your stream keys from each platform into Restreamer, and you're ready to go live. Restreamer works with various video sources like network cameras and OBS. The built-in RTMP server can process video from external software such as OBS or hardware video encoders. Restreamer is not just a tool, it's a gateway to expanding your business's reach and connecting with your audience in real time. By providing a user-friendly platform that eliminates the need for costly third-party services, Restreamer empowers small businesses to take control of their live streaming activities. Thank you for joining us in this demonstration of Restreamer. We hope you see the potential it holds for your business and look forward to seeing how you use it to captivate your audience. Learn more about managed self-hosting of Restreamer at formable.app, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy streaming!